the old folk music, country music.
Me father rises
dope
early
era.
and he makes a supper tea. He lights the kitchen stove and then he calls me. His days are often empty, he's nothing much to do.
I like it.
So he sits and tells me stories of the traveling life he knew.
Like the old
in
country
the
era.
evening they would
Like
meet
the old era country.
in lonely country lanes.
Anyways, let's get into this, guys.
Welcome to the Paid Corner Podcast with Prada West. Don't waste your time listening to anybody else's nonsense. Come soak up this game and sit back with a blunt while we chill and converse about what's hot and what's not.
All right. What's up, y'all? Prada West in the house. Welcome to the Paid Corner Podcast. You know what it is, man, where we react to unheard of music by myself, personally unheard of. So thank you guys for suggesting it. So big shout out to who was the person that suggested this song? It was, where are we? Shout out to Vivian Marsden, KY60R. Vivian Marsden, KY60R on YouTube. Much love. Thanks for the suggestion. The suggestion is Thefureys. So, she suggested Thefureys. Told me to check out, because she saw me react to, who was it? Roy Clark. And she saw that guitar reaction I did. So she suggested Thefureys. So I looked up Thefureys and found a song called Campfire in the Dark, 1993. So let's jump into it and check this out. I'm going to play it right from the jump. Much love, y'all. Like I was saying in the intro, I really like old folk and country music, like from the old era though, not so much. I'm not against the new stuff, but I like the old stuff more.
Me father rises early and he makes a supper tea. He lights the kitchen stove and then he calls me. His days are often empty, he's nothing much to do.
He's telling a story.
So he sits and tells me stories of the traveling life he knew. In the evening they will meet in lonely country lanes. I feel the way you'd hear a collie bark and they'd pass the time away. We'd
like
talk about the day, standing round the campfire in the dark. Standing round the campfire in the dark.
I like it.
My mother likes the house, the hot water and the rooms. It's warm in the winter and she's handy with the broom. Sometimes she makes call cannon, more often brittle bread. There's a hunger deep inside her for her travelling life that's dead. In the evening she will lift the black pot from the coals. A bit to where she always would remark. There'd be vessels left to clean,
Song's dope,
while
though. So is the
children
video.
could be seen playing round the campfire in the dark. Playing round the campfire in the dark.
I like it. He's just telling a story about how they live in the country. An old country man. A lonely country man. Pat that horse is wild. Some homemade stew. I like it, the country life. The kid's cute.
We go down to the pool hall to chat up the town bures. Sometimes at the disco we can't get past the doors. We're still tinkers to them and it's thrown at our ears. We're still the office strangers after all these years. And I think about my own life and the way it will be. An escort van, a bit of dealing, a wife and a family. Now Thursday I collect the dole, Friday pitch and toss. But on the side I think about the travellers' ways we've lost. And I wish that I could rise and watch the sleep out of these eyes, and listen to the sweet song of the lark. And I wish that I could be in a campfire company.
I like it. It's like a modern old school
with the sound of horses moving in the dark. With the sound of horses moving in the dark. With the sound of horses moving in the dark.
All right. Well, that's it. That's all. That's her. Much love, guys. Thanks for tuning in with me and watching the video and watching me react to it. So, like I said, that was the Fureys. The Fureys. And that was Campfire in the Dark. So, 1993. So, that was pretty sick. I actually really liked it. Like I said, what I got from that... Oh, my YouTube just keeps messing around. All right, there we go. So what I can take from that video and that song is that it's kind of just like a storytelling kind of song. Excuse me. They're just like explaining what it's like to be like an old, not so much old, but just like a lonely countryman, and the life of a countryman in the hills. You know what I mean? In the mountains. It's cool because I like the Irish. Culture, and I like the accent as well, being like from North America. The Irish accent is cool to hear, you know what I mean? But the song was really well done. I liked it. The storytelling was good. The video was well done as well, like just like really wholesome and went well with the story behind the song. So it was cool, man. So that was, like I said, the Fureys. Campfire in the Dark, 1993. So that was cool. If you guys like that kind of music, definitely check into them. They got a whole bunch of other tunes. And yeah, man. So much love to you guys for tuning in. Do me a solid favor. Support the original content on the channel. I got a lot of original content. As you know, I'm an artist myself. So subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell button for notifications. And give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Lots more content to come, y'all. Thank you. Peace.
Baby, you can call my phone if you're feeling